Hi everyone. Today's interview question is difference between driver driver.close and driver.quit methods. Okay, and as we have seen in the last interview question that I will attach in the description box, in which we discussed that in Selenium WebDriver, when you open a new tab in your browser, right? Let me show you. Let's suppose you are having Chrome browser, right? So on Chrome browser, this is the default tab when you launch Chrome browser, okay? And if you click on this plus button, it will create a new tab, okay? Now in Selenium WebDriver, for your every tab, okay, or from your new window, okay, let's say you are having two instances of Chrome browser, one is there and one is there. So for every window or a tab, Selenium WebDriver has a separate handle for every new thing, okay, new window or slash tab. So Selenium WebDriver interacts with these windows or tabs using those handlers. Okay. So in the last session we have seen how to get the handles and how to switch to some handle. Okay. So let me tell you. So driver in Selenium WebDriver, how to get the all the handles. Okay. So you have method get window handles. Okay. And how to switch to some particular handle, you can use driver dot switch to dot window. In this you have to pass that particular window handle string. Okay, so we will show you in script how to use get window handles and how to switch between handles. Okay, now let's focus on our question. What was the difference between driver.close and driver.quit methods? Okay, so let's suppose in our browser we are having one original tab that got opened when we launched the Chrome browser, and after that we launched one new tab here. Okay, so right now Selenium has two handles. Okay, one for this tab and one for this tab. Okay, now if let's come to the question. If we use driver.close, okay, it will just close the window or tab that is active right now. Okay, it will not close the both tabs. Okay, if let's suppose your focus is on this tab, okay, and in your code you perform this driver.close method, okay, so it will close this tab, not whole browser. Okay, on the other side, if you use driver.quit in your script, okay, it will exit from browser. Okay, it will close all the sessions or handles in your Selenium WebDriver. Okay, this is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit methods. Driver.close will only close the window or a tab that is in active mode. Okay, and driver.quit method will close all the windows or tabs in your Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so in this browser example, if we use driver.close right now, it will close this only on this window, and if we use driver.quit method, so it will close all the tabs in this browser and it will close the browser. Okay, so let me show you practically how to use that. Okay, and let me launch Eclipse. So let me launch this. So in the last interview question, in the same series, we conducted one interview question, how to open a new tab in an existing browser and how to switch between these tabs. Okay, you can go through that question and it has very detailed description how to uh, get the window handlers and how to switch between these window handlers. Okay, so I'm having this script in my project right now. Okay, so you can we will just continue with the same script. Okay, we will not write any script to verify this demo. Let me show you. So I'm having one Selenium WebDriver project with test ng and Java configured. Okay, and in this In this script we are let me just go through this script. In this script we are just performing we are creating one WebDriver project of and in this we are creating one object of WebDriver of Chrome driver, okay. And after that we are launching stackoverflow.com, and after that we are getting a window handle for the current tab, and this is the code to launch a new tab in your browser, okay. You can, this is JavaScript executor. This is the way to launch a new tab in your browser, okay. Now once you launch a new tab you will get two window handles, okay. This is the method to get all the window handles in your Selenium WebDriver, okay. So let me show you, and we will use driver.close here, and I will show you in debugging mode how driver.close works, okay. And after in the second run I will show you how to use driver.quit method. Driver dot switch to window tab on handler, yeah, okay, driver.close. So let me run this script in debug mode and I will show you the output. Let me close older browsers. Have a look is launching browser, and now this statement line number 19 will open this URL on the browser, okay. And we are getting handle for, this is the method to get a handle for current window, okay. I told you there are two methods. One is get window handles, okay. It will return the set of all the handles in your browser, okay. And this method is used to get window handle to get the current or activate active window, okay, handle. And this is used to get all the window handles which are open, okay. So this return type of the first is string variable, okay, and return type of this method is set of string. So we are just getting a handle here, and now we will open a new tab here using JavaScript code. So right now we are having only one tab here, so let me press F6. Have a look, it's launched new tab, okay. So right now we are having two tabs here, okay. Now this method is as I told you, get window handles method used to get all the handles here, okay. Let me show you, press F6. So have a look, in handles we are having two values, right? One, let me show you the output. Have a look, in handles we are having two handles. One is starting with cd window hyphen 8b4d, okay. This is one window handle, and the second window handle is cd window hyphen 3e1784. So we are getting each handle for each these tabs, okay. One handle for Stack Overflow website, and the other handle for this empty site. Now after getting the handles you can use for loop to just go through to switch to these handles, okay. Driver.switch to dot window handle line. Have a look, it switch to the parent handle. Now it will switch to the new handle, okay. So currently our focus is on this window, okay. If we perform some operation now, so let's suppose we are using driver.get method, okay. So all the action will be performed on this window, okay. So let me show you, let's execute this command. Have a look, it's launching yahoo.com on this website, okay. Now let's focus on our question. Our question was difference between driver.close method and driver.quit method, okay. So now we are having two tabs in our browser. At line number 34, okay, we are using driver.close command, right. So now we have to execute this command, and you will see that it will only close this current active tab, not all the browser or all the tabs. Okay, let me click on this. Let me run this command, line number 34, and have a look here. It will just close the Yahoo tab. Okay, not Stack Overflow, and Stack Overflow will be there. Okay, let me close this. Let me press F6. Have a look. It closed yahoo.com. Stack Overflow is still there. Now this is the previously our focus was on yahoo.com case. Okay. Now we have to switch back to this window handle. So you need to use driver.switch2.window tab and handler that we saved in line number 21. Okay. Have a look. So our focus is now on this tab. Okay. Now if we use driver.close here, it will close this window also. Okay. So let me complete the script. Yeah. Now I show you an example of how to use driver.close to close windows one by one. Okay. Now if I use quit here, okay, so it will close the browser. It will close all the handles in your browser. Okay, Selenium web drive project. It will close all the tabs, all the windows. Okay, let me show you one demo. Let's run it again. Press F11. So you can F6. Now this command will open one new tab here. Okay. So we are launching yahoo.com in the new tab. Okay. Yahoo.com page is heavy. It's taking time to load. Yeah. So have a look. Right now we are using driver.quit. Okay. In the last demo we used driver.close, and driver.close method only close the current active tab. Okay. Now we will try with driver.quit method. Okay. It should close all the browser. Let me execute this command. Have a look. It closed the browser and driver object. If we try to run this command, line number 35, it will give us error because driver object is not there. Let me perform F6. Have a look. It's giving us error. No such session exception because all the sessions are closed by Selenium WebDriver after driver.quit. Okay, it's like exiting from your Selenium WebDriver project. Okay, so in your Selenium WebDriver project, in any case or any scenario, you should use driver.quit. And after suite or something, you should put this. Others were failed to pass. It will close all the remaining sessions or open sessions of Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so this was the only difference between driver.close and driver.quit methods. Okay, that's all for this question. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section.